Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. Today we continue our learning series about the topic how to understand Austrians. In this video we focus on how to use the personal pronouns in Austrian German. You might be surprised, but some of them are very similar to the English ones. By the way, if you want to know more about a specific word or phrase in Austrian German, please let me know in the comments below. The learning goal of this short video is how to use the personal pronouns in Austrian German. In written form, Standard German is used in Austria, but in spoken form you will come across slightly different pronouns. Now let's take a look at the personal pronouns in Austrian German. I means I. You is du. He, she, it means sie, es. Sie, es. We is mir. You in plural means is. And they is sie. Let's repeat the personal pronouns again. I, du, sie, es. Mir, is, sie. If you're looking for more how-to videos about Austrian German, please check this out. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen.